Hi everybody, I'm gonna show you how to make the single crochet stitch. So this creates this firm fabric. It's more firm than half a double crochet. So I'll show you how to make this basic stitch in crochet. So when you look at the stitches of the single crochet, you see that these are like small V's. So normally you would putting the hook under both of the loops that you have these two bars on your hook, but some patterns say that work only through front loop or the back loop, so that way you would be working only through one of these loops that are here, creating a little V stitch. So a normal single crochet stitch goes like this. So you put the hook into the next stitch from front to back, picking up the two little bars here, and from back to front you put the yarn on the hook and bring it through the stitch. Now you have two loops on your hook. To end the stitch, you will be putting the yarn over the hook one more time from back to front, so it's firmly on your hook, and bring the yarn through the both of these loops here. And this is one single crochet stitch. Let's make one more stitch. So you put the hook into the stitch, so you have the two little bars here. Wrap the yarn around the hook and bring it through the stitch, and close the stitch with wrapping the yarn around the hook one more time from back to front, and finishing with the pull through both of the loops. And this is it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your project.